lot of people today are stressed. Passion flower is a fantastic herb to treat the nervous system, to help you relax, find out balance. Stay tuned and I'll tell you more. Passion flower was first discovered in Peru by the Spanish conquistadors. They brought back several plants, medicinal plants from the Americas to Spain. It was back in Spain Nicolas Monardes discovered the medicinal value of passion flower. He never went to the Americas, but he established a botanic garden in Sevilla. Sevilla was a center point of the connection between the Americas and Europe, and many spices and herbs and plants would arrive there, and he studied the plants and wrote several publications on passion flower and other medicinal herbs at that time. Passion flower soothes anxiety, soothes the nervous system. It promotes calmness and well-being in the short term. It's ideal to help you relax and find that calm and peace that you're looking for, especially when you can't sleep. Passion flower is an ideal herb for people that are anxious or nervous. It works by boosting a chemical in the brain called Gaba, one of the neurotransmitters. And what this does is slows down brain activity, so it brings calmness to the brain, to the mind, and to the body. One study found that passion flower was as effective as an anti-anxiety drug. So you're getting the same effect as an anti-anxiety drug without the nasty side effects that many of those drugs bring. They're also addictive. Passion flower is non-addictive. Passion flower combines well with herbs like hops, lemon balm and valerian. It nurtures the nervous system and improves circulation to the nerves and brings calm. It also soothes headaches and shingles, period pain and other painful conditions. There's also evidence to suggest that passion flower can be used in alcohol detox when somebody's coming off alcohol, or benzodiazepines or Valium. So it's an ideal natural replacement for people in addiction. People are starting to detox, they start to feel physical pains, their anxiety can be high because they're nervous about relapsing, they're trying to adjust to a non-drug state. So there's lots of herbs like passion flower or valerian that I did in the last video, ideal to help in a natural way to bring calm and balance to the person. On a cautionary note, pregnant women need always be careful in terms of herbs. Many herbs would not be recommended, and in this case passion flower is not recommended. But you should always contact your GP if that's your source of information and support, or your local herbalist for advice. Information in this video is for information purposes only. I'm not here to diagnose because I don't know what your condition is. But if you're sitting down with me, I'll do a holistic review of your health, look at the underlying causes of distress and anxiety, and try and work with you to build a more sustainable, drug-free or more sustainable way to deal with the anxiety that can often affect you. Caution should also be used for anybody that's on sedative drugs, and you should always consult your GP, your doctor, if you're thinking about reducing or coming off any prescribed medication. So the next time you're anxious, think about passion flower as an option. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. People suffering from depression, anxiety, very high levels of stress, and even suicide. And often they resort to their GP or their psychiatrist, and they're prescribed a various cocktail of drugs, antidepressants, sedatives or anti-anxiety tablets. But many of these drugs have side effects. But did you know herbal medicine can also treat many of these conditions?